We have so far identified 17 close contacts. They have all been under quarantine in hospital. They have been given Tamiflu as preventive treatment. All of them so far have been tested negative. Yesterday we mentioned about 4 close contacts had developed flu symptoms. There's 1 additional close contact has developed flu symptom. So altogether 5 so far. We have also identified at least 220 other contacts. They are under our medical surveillance. They will also be offered Tamiflu as preventive treatment. This group of other contacts include the healthcare workers in the 2 private doctors' clinic, the patient who were present at that time, and also the healthcare worker in Tuen Mun Hospital and Queen Mary Hospital, and also the ambulance officer who were involved in the transfer of the patient from Tuen Mun Hospital to Queen Mary Hospital. So far, none of them have developed any symptom. We have just completed the genetic sequencing work. We have not found any difference in the gene sequence from that found in the mainland China. There's no evidence there's genetic reabsorption or any drug resistance to Tamiflu. We'll upload the genetic sequence information to the gene bank according to established procedure so that other scientists can have access to the relevant information.